Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide your email address from the top left of your dashboard on your Xbox Series S or your Xbox Series X. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is have your Xbox turned on, have a controller connected, and once you're on your dashboard, we're going to be clicking Y or search, and we're going to be searching for settings. Once your settings shows up, what we're going to be doing is coming up and we're going to be selecting this settings app. And once your settings opens up, the first thing we're going to be brought to is our general tab right here. What we're going to be doing is coming over to the left. We're going to be clicking one down to the account option. And here we'll see all the different options and information for our account. In today's video, we're actually going to be clicking on the very top one right here, sign in, security and passkey. If we select this, we'll first need to verify our account password if you have one. So you can feel free to enter that here. And once this opens up, we'll see some different information about our account. What we're going to be doing is coming to the right here in the center. And we're going to be coming up to the very top option here called show on home. And you'll see your email address listed below here. And we can actually set this as a checkbox to turn on and off. For today's video, I'm actually going to be turning this off. I don't really see the need or any benefit to showing this on my home screen. I actually find it a little bit annoying. So I prefer to have it turned off and remove it from my Xbox account. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to stop your email from showing up on your Xbox Series S or your Xbox Series X dashboard. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.